Hello everyone, I am Virendra Mukherjee and I just gave my HS in 2024 and I am a student of EFA. Today my topic is investing money on education is the best investment. Education. Whenever we think this word, the only thing that comes in our mind is competition and pressure. Is it actually the real education? There is a question. Education is not just about academic study. It is the knowledge that can help us to advance our career and our skills. There are many fields in education such as sports education, art education, mythology and etc. Now there will be a question that sports is an education? Well yeah, to inform you that a football coach can coach only if he has a coaching degree. So you have to get the coaching degree, right? Education, investment and success are interrelated. One should invest while knowing what they want to pursue. If you want to pursue something that you like, it's not just your parents are saying that you have to pursue engineering, that's why you have to be an engineer. It's not about that. After HS, a lot of my friends went for doctor, engineering and some of them went for even the drawing, music, and I appreciate them. Because they have these thoughts that they can do better in that position. Today you came to EFA to learn spoken because you want it, and that is the reason why your parents are giving this opportunity to be a part of EFA and investing it on you because they trust you. The fact that I'm standing right in front of you and giving you this speech is a result of my parents' investment, my effort and EFA, because of EFA. And for that I'm grateful to EFA and basically ma'am because she helped me a lot. Now let's come to the money factor because it is a very important thing. Money is just a tool to achieve your goal. It is nothing, but it is everything. There is a saying that in investment, always remember that Rome was not built in one day. It's saying that Rome was not built in one day. If you invest today, you will not be successful tomorrow. You have to give your investment and you have to invest your time there. Then you will have that city or your world in there. You will be a very successful woman or a man. Now let me come to give you a very common example. Mobile. When we recharge it, we have the whole knowledge in that, right? But if we don't recharge it, you will not get any news. You will not be able to contact with the social media. You will not have even a number. You cannot call anyone. Same way it goes with our life. The recharge is the money that we are investing. The internet is the knowledge and we are the mobiles. If we recharge, like if we invest in ourselves, then we will get the knowledge. You need to be very passionate about what you want to pursue. Because if you want to pursue something, then you can do it. There is no saying that you cannot do anything. You can do it. If you want it, then only. As a student, we are getting many facilities from the government. Like recently there is a student credit card and there are many loans I think the banks are giving us to pursue what we are dreaming of. Our government even understand that to create a developing country we need to give our students more money and to invest in them in their future so that they could have a better life and create a dream in this country. Even in club, the club also gives us some money to get some books, some papers, some pens. They also help us. When we get first in an exam and you give it to the club nearest you, they even give you sometimes prizes because to give you the motivation and some more motivation that can help you to grow even more. Even it's not about just the exam from your school. It's also about the drawing competition, singing competition. They also give you the prizes. I would like to say that education is a weapon and it can change the whole world. If you have the power, then use it. It has a power. It can light up your whole world. Even it can light up the whole street right in front of you. I mean the future. When we are sick, then we need medicines, not a plate of biryani. You can have it, but it's not necessary to have biryani because we need medicines at that time. The same way, to develop ourselves, we need the education. Education is playing a very important role. If you have the opportunity, then grab it. Investment is a process. It's the more you invest, the more you get the money back. Because by investing, the money will come double or triple. It will not matter then. If you invest money on cars or houses or any jewelries, any dresses, then you will not get anything back. But if you invest on education, there is a high chance that you will get it back. Investing money on education is the best development from my side, from anyone's. If you ask anyone, they will say it. So from my opinion, if you invest it, then you will get it back. And once again, I would like to thank everyone. With that, I would like to finish.